Welcome to another school year at Arizona's best performing high school district. I'm Gabriel Gamino with the Community Relations Office here at the Glendale Union High School District. We are extremely excited that school is back in session and would like to take this opportunity to invite parents and family members to get to know your teen's school a little bit better. Each one of our schools will be hosting an open house where you'll get the opportunity to meet your child's teachers and school administration. You'll also learn more about our curriculum and expectations, support services, the free and reduced lunch program, and the clubs and activities that our schools have to offer. This is a perfect opportunity for you to see the campus where your teen will gain the skills and tools to succeed. We wish all of our students the best of luck this school year and hope to see you at Open House.